This is the beautiful vintage Coach shoulder purse, style number 9385, and this bag was made in the original New York City factory in the 1980s, and as you can see, it's in the color red. So this is a smaller size bag, as you can see, and it does come with a detachable shoulder strap, so you could theoretically carry it as a clutch or wear it as a shoulder bag. And it also comes with the matching one-sided hang tag. So on this side it says Coach leatherwear, and then on the other side it's just this suede texture. So I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag itself now. So this is actually a pretty rare style of bag. I think the most exciting feature is actually on the inside of the bag. So it actually has this little built-in Kisslock coin purse on the interior of the bag. So that's a really cute little feature. So I'll show you again the exterior of the bag. Here's what the sides look like, and then here's the back. And then we'll open the bag again and I'll show you the rest of the interior. So under the front flap, it's got these two little pockets. And again, like we mentioned, it's got the Kisslock coin purse built in, and then it's also got this little back slip pocket behind the coin purse. And then here's just the main inside of the bag. And then also when we open the coin purse, the Creed is inside. Here's a close-up photo of the Creed as well, just so that you can see it better. So that's the beautiful shoulder purse, style number 9385, and this bag is available now in our online shop. So if you are interested in looking at it, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, take care, and we'll see you in our next video.